Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips on all things design and engineering. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. What CAD software should you learn? If you're a beginner in the world of computer-aided design or CAD, you might be overwhelmed by the multitude of options available. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the top CAD software options for beginners, helping you choose the perfect one for your projects. So, let's get started. 1. First up on our list is AutoCAD, a household name in the CAD industry. Developed by Autodesk, AutoCAD has been the go-to software for professionals for decades. It offers a robust set of tools, allowing you to create both 2D and 3D designs with precision and accuracy. AutoCAD's intuitive interface and extensive documentation make it an excellent choice for beginners. Plus, its widespread use means there are countless online resources and communities to support your learning journey. 2. Next, we have SolidWorks. If you're specifically interested in 3D modeling and product design, SolidWorks is a fantastic option. It's renowned for its user-friendly interface and parametric modeling capabilities. With SolidWorks, you can easily create complex 3D assemblies, simulate real-world conditions, and even generate photorealistic renderings of your designs. The software also offers comprehensive tutorials and a large community of users who are always ready to help. 3. Another powerful CAD software that shouldn't be overlooked is Fusion 360. Developed by Autodesk, Fusion 360 is a cloud-based tool that combines CAD, CAM, and CAE functionalities into one integrated package. This means you can design your product, simulate its behavior, and even generate toolpaths for manufacturing, all in a single software. Fusion 360's accessibility and collaborative features make it an excellent choice, especially if you're working on projects that require teamwork or remote collaboration. 4. Moving on, we have SketchUp. Known for its simplicity and versatility, SketchUp is an ideal CAD software for beginners. It excels in creating 3D models for architectural and interior design projects. With its intuitive interface and push-pull modeling approach, SketchUp allows you to quickly bring your ideas to life. Moreover, it offers a vast library of pre-built models and a thriving community that shares their creations and knowledge. 5. Last but not least, let's talk about FreeCAD. As the name suggests, this software is entirely free and open source, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious beginners. FreeCAD provides a solid set of 3D modeling tools and supports various file formats. It's a great option for those who want to explore CAD without investing in expensive software. Although FreeCAD might not have all the bells and whistles of its commercial counterparts, it's constantly evolving and improving through community contributions. So there you have it, our top CAD software picks for beginners. Remember, the right choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and the type of projects you want to tackle. Whether you prefer the industry-standard AutoCAD, the 3D modeling capabilities of SolidWorks, the integrated features of Fusion 360, the simplicity of SketchUp, or the cost-effectiveness of FreeCAD, there's a CAD software out there that's perfect for you. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found this comprehensive guide helpful in choosing the right CAD software for your projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing!